Today we're fixing low or quiet sound problems in a Nintendo Switch, whether you're using the built-in speakers, headphones, or Bluetooth audio. If the volume feels too low, a few simple tweaks can make a big difference. Let's jump right into the fixes. For starters, let's press our volume buttons in the top of your Nintendo Switch. Press the plus volume button to increase your volume to its maximum. But let's say the audio still sounds a bit low after that. By default, some switches have a volume cap turned on for safety reasons. To fix it, go to your home screen and scroll all the way to System Settings. Open it, scroll down to System. It's usually in the bottom. On the right side, scroll down a bit and find the setting called Low or Max Headphone Volume. If this is on, it will limit how loud the audio can get, especially with headphones. Simply toggle it off. Now try playing a game or video again. You should notice a clear volume boost. Also make sure to raise the volume manually on your Bluetooth device if you're using an AirPod or a wireless headphone. Many users forget that both devices control volume separately. That's how you make your Nintendo Switch sound louder, whether you're playing alone or watching with friends. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.